If you're familiar with the HBO show Silicon Valley, you might remember an episode where the character named Jin Yang creates an app that can recognize if an object is a hot dog or not a hot dog. At the time, that was considered a very advanced feature. Can we recreate it using AI coding? Here's how I did it. My prompt asked to create a Python program that allows a user to upload an image and get the answer if it's a hot dog or not a hot dog, and in which case, say what it is with a percentage of the top 3 answers. To analyze the image, use either ImageNet with TensorFlow or Gemini API. So ImageNet is a free database of images, and TensorFlow is a free Python library. I also added follow the guidance of build_v2.txt. I will explain later what that is. After a couple of fixes, the app is actually ready. On the left, we're actually counting tokens and costs, and in the middle, we can pick an image and choose our model. Let's try it out. Let's try it out first with a hot dog. Let's try first with the local image processing. It's very fast, it's local, and it's totally free. Hot dog, 94%. Let's try it with Gemini. 99.8%. It's a hot dog. Let's make it a little bit more complicated. More hot dogs on a plate. Let's analyze it. Locally, 88%. How about Gemini? 99.9%. And let's try with some other things. For example, let's try with a banana. The local model, not a hot dog. It's a banana, 98%, almost 99. Gemini, 99.9%, it's a banana. Now then, just for fun, let's try with a local model, with a sausage dog. It's not a hot dog. Doberman is 24%. Then a couple of other options. AI, Gemini, not a hot dog. Dachshund, 99.8%. Gemini is much better at this, but it costs a bit of money and a bit more time. So you can see we actually recreated the entire app, actually improved on it very, very quickly. Let's take a look at one more thing. This AI code editor called Antigravity created all those files. So it structured the project quite well. There's an app.py, that's a central thing. There's an environment variable. There's an AI service to do the AI processing. List of the requirements, the different libraries being used. A little bit of utilities like a cost tracker, token tracker. And all of this actually was partly guided by this build_v2.txt. So this is a document I put as a guide to create apps because I always want the same type of things. I want well-known libraries, well-maintained libraries. I want the secrets to be hidden, not in the code. I want the code to be well-structured and split into multiple files when it makes sense. I want generally a Streamlit to be used for the interface and with a clean and minimal design. I want to count if I have any AI. I want to use the Gemini 2.5 Flash by default. And I want to count the tokens, and I want to output the price. And I want to have an audit of the security at the end. So this is a fairly long document, but I only need to put it in the folder and reference it when I ask the prompt, and I don't need to repeat all of that each time. And you see here the result of security audit, the dependency risk assessment, everything's fine, maintenance status, everything's fine, secret handling is good. Basically, system pass. That's it.